Today, guys, we're going to unbox one new Android TV box again here on my channel. And this is the all-new UBOX 10 from Unblock Tech. Previously, we did the Series 9, and this time around, it's another upgrade. So what are the things that we should know about this upgraded version? We'll know it after this quick unboxing. Hi guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. And this is the UBOX 10 from Unblock Tech. So you can see that all the specs is written here. Let me just read it out for you. It has 8 cores, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, Android 12, AI voice, Wi-Fi 6, and 6K HD display. So let's just open. Styro, the device itself, warranty card and user guide. Nice box for your remote control. And this is the remote control. And batteries are sold separately. We have a white HDMI cable, first time I've seen this, and of course your charging brick. Now I believe that this has gotten pretty slimmer compared to the version 9, and yeah, honestly it's pretty lightweight. You can carry this around anywhere if you travel. You can watch your favorite shows even wherever you go, and it's pretty portable. So at the back we have your power in, a USB port, a LAN port, a HDMI port, and your AV in. This strip at the bottom is your LED strip. And there's another USB-A port and micro SD card slot. So Android boxes like this is perfect to mount it on your TV, your computer monitor, your projector. And I'm pretty sure that this one is pretty much easy to use, like the previous version that we've tried. And right now we'll be mounting this on my desktop monitor and see how the performance is. Let's go. Okay, so after plugging, you'll be seeing your UBOX will light up like this. And it's normal running color blue, and you can probably set it later depending on what RGB you want. And this is the remote, so we'll be playing with the remote right now. So let's just press any key to match mode. So of course we need to install the battery. Battery is not included inside, sold separately. So yeah, you see the light lighting up. So yeah, it's basically connected. So let's proceed. So choose your language. I'll go for English. Okay, so these are just some tutorials that you need to know. Zoom in and zoom out, and need to connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, so we're connected. Next step. Okay, we're starting the launcher. Okay, so this is basically the home screen of the UBOX 10. So we can see that here we can have the popular, my favorite, the app market, the browser, and more apps. So right now we're trying to see some channels from all over the world here. So we have Taiwan, Macau, some news, movies, sports, documentaries from children's, and from China, Japan, Korea, US, Canada, British, France, Italy, Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines, Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, Turkey, Brazil, India, and some other collections. So let's just check some channels here from Vietnam. And there's a lot of things to watch here, especially when you are from different countries and you want to watch it all over the world. I think this one is a pretty nice entertainment for just simply everyone. So right now, let's just try to see some news from Fox. So all you need to do is just quickly select it from the side, and there you go. It's very easy to use, very fast to load. Probably one of the most important thing for me is easy to access. So yeah, you have it here from UBOX 10. So let's just check others here. So this is UP movie as translated. So just quickly check. So here you have live TV, some films, looking back, some TV drama, sports, cartoon, children, documentary, secret cinema, and Cantonese. So just quickly check some films over here on what to expect. So basically we have here some 2023 films. You can select it here. So basically it would display everything that's new. So basically these are some of the new films for you to watch, and you can check some recommended films over here on the side. Okay, so basically these are some of the films that you might want to watch. Okay, so pretty much very updated, if you ask me. So you can also check some films from different countries around the world. So just need to select. So we have comedy, romance, action, crime, sci-fi, fantasy, adventure, disaster, horror, drama, war, classic, and trailer. So just select one. Let's see. Probably this one is one of the latest, Barbie. So let's just quickly load it up. So there you go. What's really nice that you have different subtitles over here that you can use. You can view. Basically, you can select some of these settings here. Uh, Theater mode. So you can check high def and other settings. So apparently, I did try to find some subtitles, but apparently, it didn't able to scout for what. So let's just say we want to watch a throwback Avengers over here. It's here. So there you go. Most of these are pretty much clear, and yeah, I can tell you that the sound is good, and of course the video is pretty clear. I believe this one is a Blu-ray copy of the Avengers. So you can also check some cartoons and animes over here for the kids and the big kids as well. So yeah, I can watch Kung Fu Panda, Slam Dunk over here, and much more. So many other films you can watch over here. The Monkey King, and yeah, Spider-Man across the Spider-Verse. So these are some of the films that you can watch. Just try to quickly get a sneak peek of this video. So there you go. You can see some live action here from Spider-Man. Just some quick preview. Going out, you can see some sports entertainment over here for the sports junkie. So you can see NBA 2022 to 2023 season. So uh, so easy to select. So yeah, let's just see some children's channel over here. Children films. Okay, so there's a lot to watch over here, especially when you have kids at home. So yeah, I might want to consider watching some Astro Boy and Family Guy over here. So it's pretty much a total family entertainment package, not just for the adults, but for the kids as well. So you can watch some documentary film over here as well. Going out, let's just quickly check out UPTV. So here are some basically some channels that you can check out from Taiwan, Hong Kong, some news channel, some movies channel. So it's very easy to stream as long as you have a good stable internet connection. I think that you'll be really enjoying everything here. Then you can see some U playback, UP playback. So basically, this is some pre-recorded shows that you missed. Okay, so basically, these are some of the channels that offers pre-recorded videos over here. Probably some of the videos that you missed a while ago, like you missed a show from 8:15 a while ago. It's just simply select it here and watch the playback. That's it. Some HD videos. So basically these are more HD content video. So let's just try films from Netflix. So you can watch either from Blu-ray or Super Def. So basically what I'm seeing here is really nice resolution video. So yeah, see some smart tube necks. Okay, so basically this something just like a YouTube. Okay, so nothing fancy. Uh, Karaoke, I guess. You can sing your heart out over here. It's just like Spotify. Okay, so YouTube. Okay, just search. Okay, so we can search using voice command. So we have the voice command button over here. Let's just try Gadget Sidekick. Okay, there you go. So basically, we're going to watch ourselves. Say this one. Just really need to watch some ads first before starting the video. So there, watching myself here, unboxing the Xiaomi 13T in HD. And this is YouTube Music, I believe. But basically enter the browser, so not quite sure. And you can also turn on your tunnel. Okay, so yeah. Not very familiar with this one though. So you can also enter the app market and install all of these, what you need. You have Netflix over here. You have iQIYI over here. You have others like MX Player. Probably you can also check some of the others here like WeTV. Okay, so yeah, you can feel free to install it. Some of these ones are subscription based like Netflix and Disney Plus. You just really need to uh, well punch in your subscription. So there you go, guys. I've given you a very complete walkthrough on how to use the UBOX 10. And of course, if you want to access the other channels, you can always punch in the password 1818. And there it will just unlock the channel for you. So if you want to know, guys, where you can buy this UBOX 10, probably one of the fastest loading UBOX I've ever tried. Link on the description. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads here from my channel. And so ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.